Welcome to Master Wealth, your gateway to unlocking financial prosperity and independence. In today's video, we'll unveil the fundamental principles that can transform your financial landscape, guiding you toward wealth, confidence, and literacy. But before we delve into these crucial rules, let's understand the difference between financial freedom and financial confidence. The misconception. Many perceive money as scarce, an elusive resource reserved for a select few. But in reality, the world is abundant with opportunities. The key lies in understanding the rules of this money game. Think of money as a chessboard. Strategize, and you'll master it. Financial confidence versus financial freedom. Financial freedom relies on amassed wealth, while financial confidence is rooted in your ability to generate income. Here's the truth. Both are achievable, regardless of your starting point. Today, I'll impart the fundamental rules to elevate your financial game. The barrier. Surprisingly, despite the availability of financial information at our fingertips, a staggering 60% of the population remains financially ignorant. Take Peter, for instance, squandering earnings without realizing the power of informed decisions. Are you, too, trapped in this cycle? The Internet, a treasure trove of wisdom, hosts a plethora of resources that can potentially revolutionize financial understanding. Yet, despite this wealth of information, a majority continue to grapple with basic financial concepts. Why? Our formal education systems often neglect financial literacy, leading individuals to navigate the complex labyrinth of finance without a compass. It's akin to sending someone on an inevitable voyage without providing navigation tools. As a result, individuals are left to glean financial knowledge through trial and error. Moreover, societal norms and inherited beliefs contribute to the perpetuation of financial ignorance. Many grow up amidst a culture that views money as a taboo subject, shrouded in mystery and complexity. Such beliefs breed an aversion and reluctance to engaging with financial topics, further exacerbating the cycle of ignorance. The Peter effect. Consider Peter, an archetype embodying financial ignorance prevalent in society. Peter, like many, receives his paycheck but lacks the understanding to leverage it wisely. Instead of investing or saving, he squanders it on short-lived pleasures. Unfortunately, countless individuals echo Peter's actions, illustrating the pervasive lack of financial comprehension. Compounding this issue is the stark absence of financial education in traditional schooling systems. While academic curricula excel in imparting various subjects, the crucial aspect of managing finances, investments, taxes, and debt management is noticeably absent. Consequently, the responsibility falls on individuals to self-educate, seeking financial wisdom beyond the confines of formal education. However, this task is often daunting and overwhelming, dissuading many from pursuing this essential knowledge. Breaking the chains of financial ignorance necessitates a paradigm shift. It calls for proactive efforts to integrate financial literacy into education systems and foster a culture where discussing money is normalized. This would empower individuals to navigate the intricate realm of finance confidently and capably. The missing education. Traditional education neglects financial wisdom, leaving us to pave this path ourselves. The solution? Challenge conventional wisdom. Shed notions of money scarcity and debt's negativity. Instead, seek advice from financially astute individuals. Learn from those who've navigated these waters successfully. Confidence and risks. Confidence forms the bedrock of financial success. Believe in your ability to be prosperous. Embrace discomfort. Success lies beyond your comfort zone. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Envision yourself rich, and you'll traverse that path. Unveiling the rules. Rule number 1. Knowledge is your asset. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Strategic investment decision. Investing is a critical pathway to building wealth. However, the success of an investment relies significantly on understanding the investment vehicle itself. This rule advocates for making well-informed and strategic investment decisions rather than impulsive or speculative ones. Invest in knowledge. The primary investment advised by rule number 1 is investing in oneself, acquiring knowledge and expertise. Before venturing into any investment, it's crucial to educate oneself about the particular asset class, market trends, risks involved, and potential returns. Risk mitigation. Investing in what you understand is a risk mitigation strategy. It minimizes the likelihood of investing in ventures that seem promising but are actually high risk or fraudulent. This comprehension allows for more calculated risks and informed choices, reducing the chances of substantial financial losses. Prioritize learning. The foundation of rule number 1 is rooted in continuous learning. It stresses that the journey towards financial independence begins with being a lifelong learner. Keeping oneself updated about financial markets, emerging technologies, and economic shifts helps in making prudent investment decisions. Avoiding blind investments. Investing without a comprehensive understanding of the asset or market can be likened to navigating in the dark. Without clarity, individuals risk making investments solely based on speculation or hearsay, leading to potential financial setbacks. Professional guidance. For those without expertise in a specific investment area, seeking professional advice is encouraged. Consulting financial advisors or experts can offer valuable insights, helping individuals make informed choices aligned with their financial goals. Long-term perspective. Understanding an investment also involves grasping its long-term implications. It involves knowing how an investment aligns with personal financial objectives and whether it suits one's risk appetite and time horizon. Rule number 1 serves as a guiding principle, emphasizing that financial success isn't merely about making investments, but about making informed and strategic investments that align with one's understanding, goals, and risk tolerance. Rule number 2. Debt, the dual-edged sword. The dual nature of debt. This rule highlights the two sides of debt, the potential for leveraging it as a tool for wealth creation, and its inherent risks if mismanaged. Debt, when used wisely, can amplify financial opportunities. Yet, reckless borrowing can lead to severe financial distress. Good debt versus bad debt. It delineates between good and bad debt. Bad debt encompasses loans or credit incurred without a clear repayment plan or those that accrue interest without generating income. Student loans often fall into this category due to their long-term financial burdens. On the contrary, good debt involves borrowing with a strategic plan, like acquiring loans for investments or starting a business. Leveraging debt. Understanding the power of leverage is key. Leveraging debt allows individuals to invest in assets that have the potential to appreciate in value or generate income, thereby using borrowed money to magnify returns. For instance, taking a mortgage to invest in real estate can be a form of leveraging debt for wealth creation. Risk assessment. Rule 2 stresses the significance of a risk assessment while taking on debt. It urges individuals to evaluate the potential return on investment against the cost of borrowing, ensuring that the benefits outweigh the risks and interest expenses. Cautious approach. While acknowledging the potential benefits, the rule encourages a cautious approach towards debt. It advises against unnecessary or frivolous borrowing, especially when the purpose doesn't align with long-term financial goals or lacks a clear repayment plan. Debt as a strategic tool. The rule promotes viewing debt as a strategic tool rather than an impulsive means to fulfill desires. When used prudently, debt can catalyze financial growth by enabling investments in income-generating assets, thereby creating opportunities for wealth accumulation. Balance and management. Managing debt responsibly involves maintaining a balance between leveraging it for growth and avoiding overextension. Individuals are advised to avoid accumulating high-interest debts that can spiral out of control and potentially lead to financial ruin. Rule 2 emphasizes the importance of approaching debt with caution and a clear understanding of its potential impacts. It advocates leveraging debt as a strategic tool for wealth creation while being mindful of the risks and ensuring prudent management to avoid its detrimental consequences. Rule number 3. Adopt a wealthy mindset. Contrary to popular belief, don't merely live below your means. Instead, invest in skills that generate income. Think rich, act rich, and align your spending with your aspirations. Mindset shift. This rule emphasizes the importance of adopting a think rich mindset, wherein individuals envision and embody the habits and attitudes of financially successful individuals. It's about cultivating a mindset that aligns with abundance, prosperity, and prudent financial decisions. Visualizing wealth. Think Rich encourages visualizing oneself as already possessing wealth and success. This mental visualization isn't merely about materialism, but centers on adopting the habits, confidence, and actions that successful individuals typically exhibit. This mindset shift often entails reprogramming beliefs about wealth and self-worth. Confidence and self-image. The rule touches on the significance of self-image and self-worth in the journey toward financial success. Believing in oneself and envisioning a financially prosperous future can instill the confidence required to pursue opportunities and take calculated risks. Balanced living. While advocating thinking rich, the rule maintains a balance by cautioning against reckless spending. It emphasizes strategic spending on things that enhance personal development, boost confidence, and create opportunities rather than focusing solely on living frugally. Mental conditioning for wealth creation. Think Rich isn't solely about material possessions, but rather about conditioning the mind to recognize opportunities and believe in the possibility of achieving financial success. It suggests that altering one's thought patterns can open doors to recognizing and capitalizing on potential income-generating prospects. Empowering mindset. Developing a wealth-oriented mindset can empower individuals to seek and create opportunities that align with their financial aspirations. By fostering a mindset geared toward growth and abundance, individuals can actively seek ways to generate income and expand their financial horizons. Rule number 3 underscores the significance of adopting a wealth-conscious mindset that goes beyond superficial materialism. It's about rewiring thought patterns to align with abundance, confidence, and responsible financial decision-making, ultimately paving the way for sustained financial well-being. Rule number 4. Skills are your currency. Develop high-income skills that add value to the market. Acquire assets that bolster your wealth. Your brain is your prime asset. Enhance it to thrive in the competitive market. Understanding assets and liabilities. This rule focuses on the differentiation between assets, which bring in income, and liabilities, which incur expenses. It emphasizes that one's skills and capabilities represent their most significant assets, capable of generating income over time. Skills as income generators. Highlighting the importance of skill development. Rule number 4 suggests that honing valuable skills enables individuals to offer services or products that contribute to income. Developing high-income skills allows individuals to leverage their expertise to earn money independently. Market demand and value creation. The rule emphasizes the significance of identifying skills that are in demand in the marketplace. It encourages individuals to focus on skills that not only add value to others, but also possess a high market value. This aligns with the principle that the market rewards skills that fulfill its needs. Constant improvement and adaptability. It stresses the need for continuous learning and skill enhancement. The world evolves rapidly, and staying updated with new trends, technologies, and methodologies in one's field ensures relevance and competitiveness. Acquiring assets through skills. Acquiring assets involves utilizing earned income from developed skills to purchase income-generating entities, such as investments, real estate, or businesses. Skill serves as the catalyst for accumulating resources that can be deployed into acquiring such assets. Transition to entrepreneurship. For many, developing skills often becomes a gateway to entrepreneurship. By mastering valuable skills, individuals can initiate and operate businesses, thereby generating income and accumulating assets over time. Personal growth and wealth accumulation. Skill development is not solely about financial gain. It's also a means of personal growth. Acquiring new skills broadens perspectives, enhances problem-solving abilities, and fosters adaptability, all essential aspects of wealth creation. Rule number 4 underscores the pivotal role of skill acquisition in wealth accumulation. It emphasizes the transformation of acquired skills into income-generating assets, thereby enabling individuals to secure financial stability and expand their wealth portfolio. There you have it, the 4 indispensable rules to elevate your financial game. If this resonated with you, show your support by hitting that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on notifications. Thanks for tuning in to Master Wealth, empowering your journey toward financial prosperity. See you in the next video. Cheers!